Good afternoon, welcome back to your Turbo Tortoise Tech Top 10 Tuesdays, where your boy Wookie of the Triple XL variety go through the Evetech specials on the store so you don't have to. Jumping straight in at number 10, it's the Icon Bolt. I put this in here because honestly the relative price compared to other convection and wireless chargers is very good, especially when you consider that this device has a pass-through. So on the back of the device there are extra ports that you can then charge extra devices off of. There is a review embedded on the page from yours truly once again, so if you guys are interested, do check this out. If you're looking for a wireless charger, this is a really good one, and it does have cooling and RGB, so very gamer indeed. At number 9, I've put the Marvo KG965G. Reason being is these keyboards are rather good. This is one of the aluminium backplate units. It's got really nice media keys. These scrolls and stuff for the multimedia are just fantastic. Overall build quality on these, I have to say, bang for buck wise, are very difficult to beat. And then this one does have USB pass-through as well. Pretty cool. At number 8, it's the Archer C80 from TPLink. It's an AC1900 unit. I've been using it for about 2 weeks. It's got some pretty good quality of service handling. A mate of mine bought one recently as well, and we've set up his home network with the provided TP-Link then as a range extender off of this. Everything works super seamlessly, super well, going through multiple floors to hit that range extender as well. That's set up for, you know, the downstairs area and the TV and everything on his end. Everything that I've used on this so far, extremely good value for money on this. The 5 GHz channel as well, it's got some serious biceps. I can go from my studio over here to the kitchen, which is literally 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms away. It's a mean distance. There are a lot of walls, and it cracks that. Picks it up to my phone, absolutely no problem. I am using an S9, so it is a pretty good Wi-Fi in here as well. But all things considered, this thing's got some serious legs on it, and at the price, I don't think you'll find a better deal out there. 2-year local warranty on it as well. It's pretty nice. At number 7, it's a Dell backpack. Why a Dell backpack, you might ask? Because it's a 17-inch notebook backpack. It looks really nice. It's nice and clean and sleek and neat, and it's got quite a lot of storage capacity. And then the price, $299 with a 3-year local warranty. That's $100 a year to get a really nice backpack. Even if you don't use it for a laptop, you could use it for school, whatever the case is. $299, 3 years, that's $100 a year. That's fantastic. At number 6, it's the LG 24-144, which is still the cheapest way to get 144 24-inch gaming, and it does it with a little bit of style points. You've got some FreeSync technology on here as well, so you'll be able to sync frames with FreeSync compatible devices, which is basically everything. Black stabilizer, which is really nice to have, I must say. I don't know what happened there, but black stabilizer is really nice to have as well. It does have a blue light filter, so you won't get eye fatigue. I'm literally using the M77, which is basically the same thing. It just has a periscope neck. That's just about the only thing that this doesn't have, is a adjustable periscope neck. But the stand isn't very intrusive, I must say, and well, at the price, can you get a cheaper 144 with better feature set? I submit that you cannot, and 3-year local warranty just to back it up. At number 5, it's a Cougar sofa. I did do a review on this. It isn't up just yet. We do have one from Mr. Don Plays over here, and at $4,699 now, that's aggressive to get a full lazy boy recliner. You're usually looking at about 8-9K, so this is half of that, and it also has got Cougar all over it, so you know it's gaming. At number 4, it's a Marvo controller. It's a GT80. I reviewed the GT64, and this is literally not even spiritual successor. It is the successor to it. It's got some scuff level macroing, which you can do on these keys, where you can have multiple key presses simultaneously being done by hitting one switch. It's PS4 compatible. The touch works, the speaker works, the docking and charging stuff all works. Everything on this works as if it was a PS4 controller, but instead of being 1,000 Rand, I believe you'll see it's 449. So you can buy 2 of these for every PS, and if it is anything like the GT64, and I assume that it is, it's pretty much 1-for-1 with a PS controller. At number 3, it's the best GPU you can buy this week. Back at number 1 spot, honestly, is the 5700 OC. The ROG Strix being one of the 2.7 slot cooler design setups that, yeah, it's thick. It's thicker than a Snicker. It's thicker than a bowl of oatmeal, as the kids say these days. Really nice port setup, 3 display ports, HDMI as well for the bit of the older displays, etc. Because it's a ROG, it's dialed up everything to 10,000 and 3-year local warranty. If you're intending to stay on 1080p and you're not fussed about RTX, this is the one. At number 2, it's an upgrade kit from Intel. It's got a 10600K, it's got a Z490p with 10 power phases, so you can do some pretty good overclocking with that setup. And then to bolster that, 3200 megahertz worth of the good memory, and then a 240mm cooler. I actually pretty much exclusively use Prime Series Asus Pro level motherboards. This is a little bit below that, but not enough that you're going to notice in a lot of cases, to be very honest, because of that really good power phasing that they put on the Prime Series motherboards. You don't get a 600 gajillion ohm sound card, but what you do get is a really solid stable platform that should last quite a long time. 10600K is, for me, one of the best Intel processors out right now. Gives you some overclocking headroom. You can easily push it to 5.2 from the 4.8, which actually will give you a little bit of performance increase as well. And having the cooling with that does make it quite easy to overclock, because honestly these things are easier to cool than it is to slip and cut yourself with a Stanley knife. And then my deal of the week, it's a monitor. It's an AOC monitor. And why have I madly put this at number 1? Because if you toss a gander over to the warranty info, you'll see it's got a 4-year warranty on this monitor. It comes with FreeSync, 1 millisecond response time, 144Hz, 1080p, full periscope adjustable neck on this bad boy as well. The necks on these are so good, they make the Ford Build Tough logo look like a rabbit having a frolic in the meadow. In all seriousness, the price, the performance, the feature set, because there's a tilt inside the neck as well. You can see it over there. So not only can you adjust heightwards, you can tilt it properly, you can rotate the thing. Like, this is customization and comfort on another level. 27-inch is a really nice to have. 144 ultra thin bezel, as you can see as well. So you can have it side by side with another 27 ultra thin bezel, and it'll look really nice, seamless, frameless design. FreeSync technology. Most importantly, did I mention 4-year warranty on these things? Absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much, AOC South Africa. Anyway, that is all we have time for today. Do hope you guys have enjoyed this top 10. If you have, then please do hit us up with a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the flip side. The necks on these make the Ford Built Tough logo look like a punk